Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to scan any text into a note on an iPhone in 2024. First of all, what you need to do is open up the Notes application on your iPhone. To scan the text from Notes, you need to tap on the camera icon from the top bar of the keyboard. Then, what you need to do is choose the Scan Text option from its menu. After that, it will open up the camera in the bottom section of your screen. Now, you can scan the text from a photo or document. Then, the text will be placed onto your notes. Just like that, you can scan text from any document or file and fetch the information to your notes. Now, from the camera section, you will find Choose Photo or Video, Scan Documents, Take Photos or Video, Scan Text. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.